what we have now is the fisherman's net being pulled down towards us with a bunch of fish. So you'll see the blue marlin spin, yeah, right over at the right side. Huge. Instead, it can fetch up to 120 pesos per kilo, but here in Calian, it can only go 90 pesos per kilo, so it's relatively much cheaper if you will buy the fish here compared to the market, because in the market it will be costing around 120 pesos per kilo. And now you see the net being grabbed, you see the blue marlin there. Yeah, you see the fins. Yeah, in the fisherman's net. The people they're quite busy hurling up the net. And we have a commotion here because of it's nice being a witness. We'll be witnessing all the fish being caught, and they're getting up the net a little bit higher because the fish might jump out and might escape. So here it is. What you see is relatively a typical scene of a fisherman's life, doing their job. Now let me see first. Yeah. Let's see. Pause mo.
Guys, ano na pang ano? Meron tayo. Dito lang tayo yung banda.
Ano na? Ha? Patay? Na?
Suran mo. Ikakatuloy na yung mga tipon. Ang laki kasi. Sana. Ay, nasa loob siya ng net. Saka tayo dito. Baka dito sila pupunta. Gosh! Ilang kilo kaya isa niya? Parang mermaid. Ayun tayo dito. Ayun tayo. Dali! Ay,
laki oh.
Kita! Tingnan natin.
Marami yan. Marami yan.
Ako ba? Tangyan na yun. Mga picture-picture oh.
Parang mermaid. Ayun siya. May papatay. Oh, nandun kasi. Tayo dyan mamaya. Kala gusto na gano'n, oh.